Welcome to the world of Windows 10. Windows 10 is a powerhouse of an operating system. It combines the best of its predecessors with new, innovative features. This guide will uncover some hidden gems within Windows 10 to make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. From streamlining your workflow with keyboard shortcuts to customizing the Start menu, Windows 10 offers a host of functionalities. Many features remain underutilized simply because users are unaware of them. Our goal is to shine a light on these lesser-known tips and tricks. Imagine navigating your computer like a pro, cutting down on wasted time and frustration. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about tip 1. Mastering keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can drastically improve your efficiency. They save time and reduce the need to rely on your mouse. Windows 10 has a plethora of shortcuts that can enhance your productivity. One of the most useful shortcuts is Windows plus D. This minimizes all open windows and takes you straight to your desktop. To bring back the windows, press Windows plus D again. Another handy shortcut is Windows plus L, which instantly locks your computer. This is particularly useful in an office setting or any shared environment. Windows plus Tab opens Task View, allowing you to see all open applications and switch between them effortlessly. Mastering these shortcuts will make your interaction with Windows 10 faster and more fluid. Moving on to tip 2, customizing your Start menu. The Start menu is the gateway to your Windows 10 experience. Customizing it can make a huge difference in how you interact with your computer. You can pin your favorite apps, resize tiles, and even group them into folders for better organization. To pin an app to the Start menu, right-click on the app icon and select Pin to start. You can then drag the tile to your desired location. You can also resize tiles by right-clicking and selecting Resize. Grouping tiles is another neat feature. Drag a tile over another tile to create a folder. Customizing your Start menu not only enhances aesthetics but also improves functionality. It allows you to tailor your Windows 10 experience to suit your personal or professional needs. Section 4. Tip 3. Virtual desktops for enhanced productivity. Virtual desktops are a fantastic way to organize your workspace. They allow you to create multiple desktops for different tasks. This is especially useful if you multitask frequently or need to keep your work and personal activities separate. To create a new virtual desktop, press Windows plus Control plus D. You can switch between desktops using Windows plus Control plus left or right arrow. This keeps your workspace clutter-free and organized. For instance, you can have one desktop for work-related tasks and another for personal activities. Managing virtual desktops also becomes easier with Task View. Press Windows plus Tab to see all your desktops and switch between them. This feature is a game changer for productivity. Section 5. Tip 4. Troubleshooting with the Task Manager. The Task Manager is your go-to tool for troubleshooting. It provides a detailed view of what's running on your computer, including apps, processes, and services. Knowing how to use it can help you identify and solve performance issues. To open Task Manager, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Esc. The default view shows the apps currently running. For a more detailed view, click on More Details. Here, you can see all processes, their CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. If your computer is running slow, check the Processes tab. Look for any applications or processes using a high amount of resources. You can end these processes by right-clicking and selecting End Task. Section 6. Tip 5. Optimizing battery life. Battery life is a critical aspect, especially for laptop users. Windows 10 offers several features to help you get the most out of your battery. One of the easiest ways to save battery is to use Battery Saver mode. You can enable it by going to Settings, then System, then Battery, and turning on Battery Saver. This mode reduces background activity and dims your screen to conserve power. Another tip is to manage your screen brightness. Lowering your screen brightness can significantly impact your battery life. You can adjust this in the Action Center by clicking the battery icon and adjusting the brightness slider. Managing which apps are allowed to run in the background can prevent unnecessary battery drain. Section 7. Conclusion. Elevate your Windows 10 experience. Mastering these tips and tricks can transform your Windows 10 experience. From using keyboard shortcuts to customizing your start menu, each tip makes your interaction with Windows 10 more efficient. Virtual desktops help you stay organized, while the Task Manager aids in troubleshooting. Optimizing battery life ensures your device lasts longer without frequent charging. By incorporating these practices, you'll find yourself navigating Windows 10 with ease and confidence. Try out these tips and see the difference they make. Happy computing!